Families split down the middle. Friends unfollowed each other on social media. 2025 only made it worse. The Marcos Duterte alliance collapsed, the ICC arrest happened, the impeachment started. Supporters on both sides that were in the same team before built walls around their positions, and the space for actual conversation and dialogue disappeared. Hindi na tayo nag-uusap, nagbabarilan na lang tayo ng mga opinyon natin. So sa office man o sa Pilipinas, the pattern is the same. People just stop listening altogether. We start assuming the worst about the other side, the other person. And what could be a productive disagreement becomes a full-blown conflict. When I was at Harvard, I took a class called Understanding People, Conflict, and People in Conflict, taught by Professor Julia Minson. In the class, everything that I had watched fall apart before, sa startups ko, sa politika, sa mga pamilya, it just made more sense. The class gave me the language for what was going wrong and what could actually work. So, let me give you the gist. Madalas, iniisip natin na nag-aaway tayo dahil magkaiba yung values natin. In most cases, mali lang ang pagkakaintindi natin sa posisyon ng kabilang side, and we've lost the tools to listen to them.